I installed the Rockslide Engineering Step Slider Gen 3 kit on my Jeep Gladiator. I love the steps. I think they're awesome. You get the ground clearance, plus you get use of a step when you open the door. They work with magnetic sensors that close the step when the door is closed. But take your doors off, and you're stuck with one of two positions. You can either set it so the steps are turned off and don't extend or retract with the doors off, or you can leave the steps down as you ride around with the doors off. Well, thankfully, they make a kit, a door delete kit, that you can find on Quadratec's website. Now, on the Quadratec website, they tell you that you need 2 kits for a 4-door model. This is not accurate. They also include pieces that are not shown on the website. You get these brackets, so you can actually use these brackets for your switches, which look like this. They're a little plunger switch. The switch will actually plug right into the bracket here, like this, and have a nice solid mounting base. Or you can use a step bit and drill a hole that this will fit into and plug this directly into a body panel, which is what we are going to do today. This is going to plug into a body panel down along the door sill. We're not going to use both switches from this kit because I bought 2 kits. I've already got one side installed. One of these kits is perfectly fine for a 4-door model. You have 2 sets of wires here with connections. You have 2 sets of connections. You have this set of connectors here that plug into the switch, and then you have these connectors here that plug into your magnetic sensors in the door jambs. One for the front, one for the back, run to one switch. So you only need one switch per side. One kit will take care of your vehicle. In other words, the door delete kit is actually a lot more inclusive and a lot nicer than what the website would lead you to believe. I have my wiring harnesses plugged in to the rear and front door sensors. You kind of see back in here. It was difficult to try and film this, to film plugging them in, digging them out and whatnot. I'm going to tuck everything back in here and hide it away so that it's not obstructing anything. Looking at the underside of this panel, right here about an inch in front of that access hole is where you're going to drill the hole for the switch. I'm not sure the exact size for the hole. I've just been kind of test fitting as I went, and here we go. This will snap into place just fine. All of my panels are snapped back into place. You can see the wires coming out here from the seatbelt access panel. I'm going to tuck everything in and put that panel back on as well after I get the switch installed. I want my switch to be in the closed position when the doors are on for the steps to extend. And I want it to be in the up position or the open position with the doors off in order for the steps to retract. All of the wires are tucked in. The switch is nice and clean. Press it and the step opens. Press it again and the step retracts.